Somewhere in a filing nobody reads for fun, Oracle just said the thing every AI panel has spent 2 years dancing around. Not in a press release, not in a keynote. Buried in the risk factors section of its annual report to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, filed this June. Word for word. The adoption and deployment of AI technologies across our operations have resulted, and may continue to result, in reductions to our workforce. Not may, have. Oracle's headcount went from 162,000 to 141,000 in 12 months. 21,000 people. Restructuring costs jumped from $374 million to 1.8 billion. Here's why that one sentence outweighs every survey you've seen this year. Nobody chose to write it. Under securities law, a material risk to the business has to be disclosed, or shareholders can sue. Oracle's lawyers didn't offer an opinion, they filed a fact. 2 years of AI might replace jobs. 2 years of consultants hedging and surveys of 1,000 people asked how they feel. Oracle just ended the hedge, under legal obligation, in writing. So stop asking whether AI cuts jobs. That's filed. Ask this instead. Your company will write its own version of that sentence eventually. If AI is changing how you operate, it has to. Oracle didn't get a choice about when. You still do. Write it now, on your terms, or get forced into writing it later, on someone else's.